Have you noticed your face looking hollow, flat or tired, even when you're well rested? That's collagen loss, and it's something neither Botox nor fillers can truly fix on their own. Today, I'm going to explain Sculptra, a treatment that helps your skin rebuild its own collagen from within. In this video, we will discuss step by step about Sculptra, what it is, how it works, who it's for, and what results can you expect. Hello, I'm Dr. Niti Gaur, MD Dermatologist from Gurgaon. With over 21 years of experience in clinical and aesthetic dermatology, I focus on regenerative science-backed treatments for lasting skin health. What is Sculptra? Sculptra is a FDA-approved injectable made from poly-L-lactic acid or PLLA, a biodegradable substance used safely in medicine for decades. It's a collagen stimulator. It doesn't add volume directly, but triggers your own fibroblast cells to produce new collagen over time. Most injectables replace what you've lost. Sculptra helps your body rebuild it. Facial and skin aging. From our mid-20s, collagen production drops by about 1% every year. By our 40s and 50s, this shows as hollow cheeks, sunken temples, deepening folds, sagging jawline, and thinner, more tired-looking skin. This is structural volume loss, not just surface wrinkles. And that's where exactly Sculptra is designed to address. Sculptra versus Botox and fillers. Botox relaxes muscles to soften dynamic wrinkles. Fillers add immediate volume that lasts 6 to 18 months. Sculptra works differently. It stimulates your fibroblasts to produce new collagen over the next 3 to 6 months. How does Sculptra work? Once injected, the PLLA particles act as a scaffold triggering fibroblasts to produce new collagen around them. Over weeks, the PLLA dissolves naturally, but the collagen matrix it had built remains. Week 1 to 4, temporary swelling, not the final result. Months 2 to 3, collagen begins forming. Subtle improvements are visible. Months 4 to 6, peak results with natural volume, firmer skin and lifted contours. Now, who is the ideal candidate for Sculptra? Sculptra works best for men and women aged 35 to 65 years of age with facial volume loss, hollow cheeks or temples, and those wanting gradual, natural-looking, long-lasting results. It is not ideal for those wanting instant results, those with very thin skin areas like lips, or patients who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have active skin infections like herpes. Now, how is the Sculptra treatment done? After a facial assessment, numbing cream is applied. Sculptra is injected into the deep tissue planes across the temples, cheeks and jawline using a fine needle or cannula. Each session takes about 45 minutes. Most patients need 2 to 3 sessions spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart, the 5-5-5 massage rule. After each session, massage the treated area 5 times a day for 5 minutes for 5 days. This distributes the product evenly and is the single most important step to prevent nodules. Nodules are small, firm lumps that can form if PLLA particles cluster under the skin. They are not dangerous but can be visible or palpable. They happen most often due to superficial injections, insufficient product dilution, or skipping the massage protocol. Now coming to the results that you can see with Sculptra. Sculptra results are gradual, and that's exactly what makes them look natural. Peak results appear at 4 to 6 months and can last up to 2 years or more with maintenance sessions every 12 to 18 months. If you want a detailed consultation to understand whether Sculptra is the right collagen stimulating treatment for your skin, you can reach out to us through the contact details mentioned below. You can also comment Sculptra below and our team will share more information about the treatment. Thank you for watching.